Oh man, you see this? And this? All right, folks, just a quick Addicted Motors fleet update. These two vehicles, what's going on right here is incredibly bad. This is terrible for my wallet. Mike decided that he was going to pull both of my backlog cars in today to start the prospective repairs that I've been putting off for financial reasons, and today's the day. Apparently, it's happening. So the 96 F250 is in here for this because the front doesn't do the front thing anymore because it got rusty, and yes, so that's not good. So I'm doing the whole core support. The core support's rusted out and gone. Luckily, they sell it as a kit. It's just bolts, nuts and bolts. So they, unbolt the old one, put the new one in. I've got new headlights and surrounds for everything. So hopefully that's going to look pretty good once it's all said and done. And hopefully also take care of my bad coolant leaks coming out of the water pump, and I think it's the thermostat's leaking like crazy. You can kind of see all the buildup there, but that's what's going on with the truck. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Actually, my brother's 100 series is here as well, getting a sway bar link welded that had a little crack in it. So he's also getting the heater tees done. Actually, they look like they might be done already because they got some metal ones in there, unless he didn't realize. Actually, I've never seen the metal heater tees, so that's a good thing for him. So I should probably let him know that those are pretty good. Here's all the bits that were taken off. Like I said, I've got new headlights in the box. I've got new tail lights. So we're just gonna give it a little bit of a refresh, seeing how those are faded and that plastic doesn't really buff out all that well. The next thing on the chopping block is my 5-speed Charleston Green D1. This is a pretty rust-free manual disco. So this is a pretty rare one. It has a tiny bit of rust in the floorboard there, but that's really about it. It's a slick top truck, 5-speed cloth seat edition that I haven't touched or hasn't run or moved in way over a year. So they're doing some diag on it. I think it's a head gasket. Hopefully it's not the timing the timing belt cover deal in the front. So it's on the chopping block as well, at least coming in for some diag so we can see what's going on with it. But let me see here. Really clean truck, very original. Look at that frame. I mean, you literally can eat off that, which is pretty good for a disco. Great color too. Not so great on the inside, but who cares? 167,000 miles, but that's the big one there, guys. That 5-speed manual transmission. So all fairly exciting things, except for my bill. So I'm just gonna go under a rock. You're not gonna see me buy anything for months, but I might have some cool cars at the end of it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll post some updates. Might be going to pick up from the aisle later, so we might get another video. So that's what's going on right now. Thanks.